In the classrooms of the social work building, we have set up a podium that contains a provided desktop computer with keyboard and mouse that you can position how you like, a built-in microphone, a wireless microphone for your audience, built-in speakers to amplify your voice through the microphones and the computer sounds, a monitor on a movable arm, a web camera, and a connection to either the built-in room AV systems or connected directly to a projector. The provided desktop computers are inside the podiums, locked away to prevent theft. One thing you might notice is that there's no power button to turn on or off the computer. The computer will stay on all the time, ready to work for you. To get started, press the power button on the monitor, and if necessary, the spacebar on the computer to get the login screen. If the computer has been turned off somehow, just let SSW Tech in room 12 know, and we'll get it started for you. Here, you will log in with your UW-Net ID. There's no need to remember another username and password for this or any of the computers in the classrooms and conference rooms. To get your files on the computer, around the corner of the monitor is a USB hub that you can plug in thumb drives, flash drives, or USB keys, however you refer to them. Now, let's talk about how to connect this computer to the display system. Connect the two cables with the purple flags together. This is an HDMI cable. There's only one way they connect, and try not to force it. This one cable will send the computer's video screen to the display system and the audio to the speakers in the room at the same time. To configure the displays so your audience sees what you want them to see, press the Windows icon key and the P for projector key at the same time. To have your audience see what you see on your screen, then choose Mirror Displays. If you would like your audience to see your PowerPoint slides full screen, or maybe the gallery, sometimes called the Brady Bunch view of Zoom, press the Windows P key combination and choose Extend Desktop. To configure the displays so that they match up with the real world, right-click anywhere in the desktop and choose Display Settings. Then click the Identify button to have a number of the displays shown on the screen. It can be helpful to rearrange the screens on the little windows here and hit Apply so that the virtual space here matches up with what is happening in the room. Every podium will have microphones that can make your voice louder in the room and also be sent directly to Panopto or to Zoom. If you choose to use the podium mic, you'll need to stay near the podium and make sure the volume is turned up. Please note that the podium mic is very sensitive, so it will feedback at higher volumes. If you hear feedback or just a "ooh" type ringing sound when you're speaking, just turn the mic down a little. The wireless mic allows folks in the audience to be heard clearly across the room and also be sent directly to the computer for use in Panopto or Zoom. Please note, anything not said near a microphone in this configuration will likely not get picked up. To turn the wireless mic on and off, press and hold the button for about 2 seconds. Please leave the wireless mic receiver on, or else a buzz will be present in your audio to Zoom or Panopto. If you'd like for the computer sound to come out of the podium speakers in addition to your microphones, you can choose them in Windows here, make sure the volume is near 100, and adjust the volume on the podium control. If you'd like the sound to come from the built-in AV room speakers in the spaces that have them, choose them here in Windows, make sure the volume is how you'd like it, and finally raise or lower the room sound using the room's system controls. Note that some rooms do not have built-in AV room sound systems, so the podium speakers will be your best choice. Now that you know how to configure the system for in-person teaching, let's add in Panopto or Zoom. When it comes time to use Zoom or Panopto, you have the choice to send the podium microphones directly to the computer, or you can choose to use the web camera's onboard microphones to pick up some sounds in the room. You'll want to speak up or be near the web camera for best results if you choose to use the web camera's onboard mics. You can reposition the web camera to face it towards you, or flip it around so that it sees your audience. For example, if you have a guest speaker presenting via Zoom. You can change the angle of the web camera by moving the monitor arm. Don't hesitate to adjust the monitor to your taste. To send webcam video to Panopto, choose the name of the camera from the video drop-down list. It's a very similar process to choose the video camera in Zoom. Please No drinks on the work surface with the electronics. Use the side platform if available. Thank you. If you'd like to connect to your own device, either plug in the display system's cable to your device or connect an HDMI cable of your own to the projector. If you don't have an HDMI cable, SSW Tech can loan you one for your session. Please remember to return the cables to where you found them at the end of your class. Thanks. As always, if you have any questions, just email sswtech@uw.edu and we'll be delighted to help you. Have a great class.